San Sebastian helped me through the years to learn more experiences. Um, it helped me to be more matured in our journey in life and to be more God-fearing and to be more humble person. One of the most treasured moments I have here in school is my colleagues. They are always with me through the years, and especially my students who I've seen from preschool to elementary, high school, and now most of them are in college. Uh, it's very flattering, and we're happy to see that the seed that we have planted in them are now blooming. One of the treasured values that I learned is, and I want to share, is justice and equality. Since we are in the academe, it's only right to be truthful and honest and to be equal to all of our students. My message to my fellow Sebastinians to always do our best in everything that we do. I know that there are a lot of challenges ahead of us, but we can always accomplish things if we are together.
Congratulations on your 10th year here in SSCRBC. And I've known you for the last 11 years. Siguro sa start, puro hi and hello lang kasi nasa LM ka, nasa high school ako. Pero this past 2 years, doon kita talaga nakilala. If I can think of 2 words that would best describe you, it's dedicated, very dedicated, and a hard worker. Kitang-kita naman sa trabahong pinapagawa sa iyo ni Ma'am. Minsan sumisingit pa ako. Talagang once na hiningi namin yung trabaho, you accomplish it, no?
Hi, Olive. It's almost 2 years that I've been working with you as our academic coordinator of the Basic Education Department. And I agree with Sir Edwin with his observations about you as a worker. I personally think that you're a person who epitomizes the virtue of silent, hard work. Very much in the spirit of the Recollect tradition, always working and working and working. I know that you believe in this virtue because of your humility. You never brag of your accomplishments. You're just silent and doing your work, very much focused on what you do.
She is loved by many because she treats people more like her friends than her subordinates, like yung mga students niya and even us. She's a friend for us first before she's a person of authority. So I think that's why we all love her.
She's interested in things that she loves and the things that her children love.
She is a person that is loving and caring and will do anything for her children.
Congratulations, Mama!
It was in my high school year when I began to feel my desire to teach. Starting my basic education in a Catholic school, I chose to take my education course also in a Catholic school. Fresh from graduating, it was my father who inspired me to look for a school to practice my profession. At this point, it was my friend who informed me that SSCR will open grade school department, and the rest is history. Teaching is never easy, especially when you're handling 3 to 5-year-old pupils who are just starting to read, write, and socialize with other people. You're not only their teacher, but you will also learn how to be a nurse, a police officer, a caregiver, and a mother. I will always be grateful to San Sebastian College, Recoletos de Cavite, and to our former principal who believed and took me in. I am fortunate to have my colleagues in the Basic Education Department for honing me to be a better educator. I immediately found myself enjoying my stay. I have very fond memories of these people. The institution has a lot to do with who I am right now. Indeed, thank you very much and bravo, Baste.
Si Teacher Tin, siya yung tipong tao na alam mong makapalagay ang loob mo talaga agad, diba? Yung tipong tao na napakadaling lapitan. Kumbaga kung ano yung mga kakailanganin mo, willing siyang magbigay ng advice, nagsosupport siya lagi sa'yo, ginaguide ka niya. Kasi ako, bago pa lang talaga ako sa basiso ko. So, nung every time na nag-aano ako sa kanya, sinasabi ko, sure, ano naman, patulong naman, paano ba to, ganito, ganyan. Talagang lagi siyang nandyan para sa'yo.
Ay, oo, tama.
Oo, diba?
At saka ako naman, kabaliktaran ng sinabi niya, yung unang kita ko kay Tin, kasi hindi pa siya teacher noon, kasi parang may common friend kami, hindi pa siya teacher noon eh. Parang ang tingin ko sa kanya, hindi approachable, parang suplada.
Ay, ganun.
Kahit nung pumasok ako sa Baste, ganun yung tingin ko sa kanya na parang hindi ko siya makakausap. Pero nung nag-assist na ako sa kanya, naging teacher assistant niya ako, parang unti-unti nakakapalagayan ko siya ng loob at saka nauhuli ko yung kanyang ugali. Yung ugali niya na parang, alam mo, cool ka lang, sige, huwag ka ma-pressure. Isipin mo, huwag mong isipin na nasa school ka, huwag mong isipin na nagtuturo ka, huwag kang kabahan. So lahat ng encouragement ginawa niya sa akin. To the point na, my God, iniwan niya ako mag-isa na nag-leave siya. Sabi niya 3 days lang. Tapos, alam mo yun, nag-leave siya tapos naging 1 week, tapos hindi ko alam kung paano ko papatahanin yung laging umiiyak na bata. So doon pa lang, binigyan niya na ako ng lesson na kung dapat ma-overcome ko at matutunan na ito dapat ang gawin mo, ito yung dapat mong sundin.
A very loving daughter indeed. Obedient she is. And she takes care of me. She is one person who knows what I want. And not only that, she also knows what I need. I think that's one thing. That is one of the many things I love about her.
Congratulations. Umabot ka ng 10 years. Keep up the good work. And more years to come of teaching. And what masasabi ko is, she is a morning person, disciplined person. Gusto niya laging on time. Kaya na-adapt ko na rin yung ganong situation. Kailangan laging on time siya. So yun, nagugustuhan ko naman. Tapos gusto niya, organize din mga bagay-bagay.
Sweet
So yun.
siya.
Sweet, of course. So yun lang. Keep up the good work. Congratulations. I love you.
Truly faithful to your work, you're passionate, you love your students, you enjoy your peers so much, you respect your superiors. You continue doing that because you are in an institution, and in an institution, you have to be a player. You have to be a very good follower because you cannot be part of the problem. As a good member of the community, you should always be part of the solution. More years to come, anak. More teaching years. And with Jamil behind you, and I'm still here, we will always support you in whatever endeavor you will still be treading. We love you so much, anak.
Teaching kindergarten pupils is both interesting and scary. You will be a teacher, a parent, and a caregiver in your job. The first few months is very stressful because of the morning drop-off. Yung pag iniwan na yung mga bata sa'yo, and they are having this separation anxiety. The term yun, separation anxiety. And interesting because you were able to deal with children and their parents. Diba? Both are unique and maybe hard to deal, pero at the end, it is very rewarding. Treasured moments with the children are these bits of love, yung mga little notes and drawings, everyday hugs, and sometimes kisses with the fellow teachers and employees. Siguro yung annual retreat, yung spiritual renewal, and then yung mga Christmas parties na we were able to enjoy each other's company. Luck, fate, or divine intervention of being a teacher with these tiny kids, it was really a great blessing. The journey in life is wonderful, being an Sebastinian family. It's really a pleasure working with you.
Si Ma'am Girl.
Oh, paano si Ma'am Girl?
Si Ma'am Girl ay yung taong straightforward person na alam mong pag meron kang nagawang mali, sasabihin niya sa'yo ng harap-harapan. Hindi yung ibang tao na kala mo sa harap, pagkaharap mo siya parang wala pero may problema para. In short,
Oo nga, in short, hindi siya plastic.
Oo, hindi siya
Tsaka
plastic.
di ba, may one time na umiyak ka nga sa kanya.
ikaw di
Naalala
pinagsabihan
mo ba
ka rin
yun?
kaya. Kala mo
Pero hindi naman ako umiyak tulad mo. Pero alam mo,
iyak ka?
pero yun yung talaga yung pinaka-importante kay Ma'am Girl din, yung hindi siya plastic, lagi siyang straightforward magsalita, at saka mas maganda yun kasi nabibigyan kanya ng payo at saka ng magandang advice din. Lalo na kapag sa pagtuturo, lalo na kapag nakikita niya na mali yung ginagawa mo, lalo na sa mga bata.
Yung kasamahan namin na mother figure, lalo-lalo na sa mga katulad namin malayo sa pamilya. So, siya yung talagang gumagabay sa amin pagbibigay ng advices talaga. The best Ma'am Girl.
Congratulations, Ma'am Girl! From Team Ukraine, we love you!
She is a person that I admire.
She believes in me because she's right there at our side to support us for the challenges that we face.
She is very good at her work.
She is interested in teaching
She loves by many because she is lovable.
and caring to
Congrats, Mudra Bells.
For experiences, syempre madami yan. Masasaya, hindi masyadong masasayang experiences. Pero all in all, mas marami naman yung masasayang experiences ko with my colleagues sa college department, tsaka yung sa mga estudyante syempre. Doon sa mga experiences, ang masasabi ko na treasured para sa akin is yung mga pasasalamat ng ilang mga estudyante. Yung mga naging estudyante ko, pasasalamat nila na somehow natulungan ko sila, hindi lamang in terms of sa pagtuturo ko sa kanila, kundi sa iba pang mga bagay. Una sa lahat, yung gratitude or yung pasasalamat ko syempre sa San Sebastian dahil nga scholar ako dati as a student assistant, tapos binigyan ulit din ako ng opportunity na mag-work, bumalik at mag-grow din syempre. So talagang very thankful ako sa Baste mula pa noon, ngayon hanggang sa mga next years pa. Sa lahat po ng kapamilya ko dito po sa San Sebastian, syempre dun sa mga nakasama ko, maraming salamat for the wonderful experiences, and sana po lahat po tayo is mag-work harder pa para sa sustainability ng ating pinakamamahal na school.
She's very good at balancing her different roles as mother, wife, as a teacher, and as a head. She's loved by many because she holds the key to the CFC funds.
Hello, ma'am. Congratulations. I love you. Alam mo na yun.
Congratulations, ma'am, for staying in the institution for 10 years or a decade. Hope you'll have more.
She believes in the importance of the family kasi nakikita ko siya nung bata pa lang ako na talagang siya mag-aral para sa amin, na ginagawa niya yung best niya para sa pagdating ng panahon, matulungan niya kaming mga kapatid niya tsaka parents ko na magbago yung takbo ng buhay namin.
Bilang ate ni Aryan, ako yung panganay kasi siya yung sumunod sa akin, masasabi ko na she is a person na kahit ako yung mas matanda sa kanya, parang siya yung gumagawa ng paraan na makatulong sa magulang namin, Siya yung lagi mo siyang malalapitan kahit minsan as in para na lang sa sarili niya or para sa pamilya niya. Pag sobrang importante, talagang ibibigay niya pa rin sa'yo. Kasi siya yung tipo na tao na problema ng iba, lalo na sa family, poproblemahin niya pa. She is loved by many dahil sa hindi nakakakilala, si Tuti or Tutay, tawagin sa amin yan, sa mga kaibigan niyang iba si Ma'am. Tahimik lang kasi, pero hindi mo alam kung gaano kataba ang utak niyan, kung gaano siya kalaki, mas malaki pa doon ang laman ng utak niyan. At isa pa, kung gaano namin siya kamahal bilang pamilya namin kasi hindi siya madamot. Lahat, ultimo, pamangkin, o kahit sino man, magkaroon lang siya ng maliit na blessings para sa kanya, hindi niya makakalimutan mag-share kahit sino sa amin. Lagi siyang ganoon sa pamilya, sa mga pamangkin, lalo na sa mama at papa ko.
Compared sa mga in-applyan kong trabaho, dito, ang unang tinanong sa akin, may anak ka na ba? Which is, parang nakakagulat. Sabi ko, bakit? Kasi karamihan, di ba, ang hinahanap single, experiences, gano'n. Dito, ang tinatanong anak, sabi ko, bakit po? Pero bago ko tinanong ng bakit, sinabi ko muna, meron, dalawa. Kasi, bubuksan daw yung Kanyakaw Campus. Ang kailangan doon, nanay na marunong mag-handle ng mga bata. Nagkaroon tuloy ako ng confidence sa sarili na, ay, may 1 point na ako, may advantage. Which is, yung compared sa trabaho ko sa hospital, kailangan doon always on the go. Dito naman sa Baste, parang continuation lang ng pagiging nanay ko sa bahay na dinadala ko lang sa trabaho. Most treasured moments, ako yung type ng tao na hindi kaibigan na, hindi ako yung maraming kaibigan. Hindi ako masasabi na friendly, ganon. Mapili ako. Hindi porket kausap kita, I consider you as a friend na. Pero dito sa San Sebastian, nakita ko yung mga mas consider kong mga kaibigan. Hindi ko na-expect na yung mga teachers magiging ka-close ko, yung mga co-employees ko, especially si Nurse Noemi, si Arlene, at saka si Sergi. Sila yung masasabi kong friends na hindi pang Baste lang. Kung hindi, after Baste, makakonsider ka silang friend pa rin. Unang-una, yung pagiging mahaba ang pasensya. Alam naman natin, bata ang hinahandle natin. Ang kukulit nila. At saka dito, yung kailangan pakikisama yun ang wag na wag kalilimutan. Message ko sa kapwa ko, Sebastino, at sabi nila, magtrabaho to earn. Pero para sa akin, nung ma-experience mo dito sa Baste, at trabaho at i-enjoy. Kaya siguro ngayon, kasama ako sa mga a-awardan.
Ang instruction is for me to say something about you according to this outline. She is a person that she believes in, she is very good at, she is interested in, and she is loved by many because of blank. But I'd rather not follow this. I'd rather say something about you from the heart. The way I know you from all those years since 2012 that I was assigned at Kanyakaw Campus. Araw-araw, nakikita kita sa klinik. Araw-araw, nakikita ko ang uri ng serbisyong ipinoprovide mo sa mga estudyante sa Kanyakaw Campus. At araw-araw, nakikita ko, you are not just providing the simple first aid that the students at Kanyakaw Campus needs, but rather the quality of service that you provide. By quality, what I mean is, hindi lang first aid pag may kasamang pagmamahal sa mga bata. Neng, congratulations. You've gone a long way. We've shared so many things together. Yung laughter sa clinic, tayo nila Dong Talag, Frank, Noemi, Kat. That's something. That's something. Yung lahat ng kainan natin, that's something. No? Siguro, pag nawala ako sa Baste, bukod sa dadalawin kita sa inyo, those are the things that I'm going to miss.
Si Mami, yung taong napaka-supportive. Lahat ng gusto namin ay kaya niya ring sakyan, tulad ng pagsayaw namin sa K-pop.
Ano po, bawat laban po namin, nandun po sa tabi po namin. Kumbaga sa ano po, hindi po niya kami naiiwan basta-basta po gano'n.
Si Mami, magaling yan sa pagbibigay ng advice. Kaya mga kaibigan namin minsan, pag may problema, lalo na sa love life, siya lapitan natin. Lalo na to si Miguel.
Kaya lang po ano muna, serbo muna ng matindi bago yung sweet na ano.
Yung tipong papagalitan ka muna bago niya sabihin, mali yung ginawa mo, tapos pagsisihan, tapos yakapin ka niya, parang nanay mo na rin siya kahit di mo siya talaga nanay.
Kaya ano po, kaya gusto rin po siya ng lahat, kaya madali din po pasamahan yung mama po namin.
Si Mami, interesado yan sa mga opa sa K-pop community. Lalo na yung si Rain PH, yung
Lubibidad.
Yung mga may abs na K-pop.
Salamat po sa lahat na lagi po kayo nandiyan para sa amin. Hindi nyo po yung pinapabayaan po basta-basta. Salamat po kasi lagi po kayo, hindi nyo po kami naiiwan, tas lagi po may advice para sa amin. Mahal po namin kayo ni Kuya.
Thank you po Mami sa pagiging sobrang supportive po sa amin. Huwag po sana kayo magsawa sa pagsuporta sa amin kahit minsan sobrang kulit po namin. Yung minsan nasasaway po namin kayo. Dito lang po kami lagi hanggang pagtanda po namin, di namin kayo iwan. Mahal po namin kayo ni Miguel.
Experience. That time na in-appoint akong chairman of the Light of Sound. Past few years na hindi ko akalain na yun ako ng mga OER na maging chairman. Kasi big responsibility at commitment sa mga committee. No? Dahil sa confidence ng mga OER sa akin, na-handle ko. That's the most experience na nahawakan ko ever since sa institution ng sa Sebastian. Bali, na-surprise ako that day, birthday ko, na-surprise ako. They visit mga OER father para i-greet ako. Doon ako na-flattered na just a simple tulad ko, nagpunta sila lahat ang OER fathers. The value of trust and unity. Sa mga ginagawa po natin sa institutional, mahirap. Pero pag sinama natin ang tiwala at yung kakayahan ng bawat isang kasama natin, mabubuo natin yung samahan as a community ng San Sebastian. Ang gusto ko lang sabihin sa lahat, kung ano man ang trabaho natin, mas magandang gawin natin ito na may kagalakan sa puso. May kasabihan tayo na we only live once. Kaya dapat masaya tayo sa ginagawa natin. Bravo, Baste.
Si Toto ang taong mapapakatiwalaan sa kanyang mga trabaho, sa kanyang ginagawa. At siya ay isang mabuting kaibigan. Kaya siya mahal ng kanyang mga kasamaan sa maintenance. Siya yung taong matyaga sa kanyang ginagawa, kahit na siya abutin ng 8 oras sa kanyang trabaho, wala sa kanya yung oras basta pagdating sa trabaho. Kaya wala akong masasabi sa kanya, kundi pagpatuloy niya ang kanyang mga kabutihan at sa trabahong ginagawa niya. Maraming salamat.
Si Guillermo Marcial alias Toto, siya yung taong mabait, magaling makisama, pagdating sa trabaho, siya yung kala mo pawis na pawis, talagang hindi mo alam kung anong pinaggagawa, anong uunahin, pero makikita mo talaga yung sipag niya at pagmamahal niya sa tao at saka sa kanyang trabaho. Ang advice ko lang sa kanya, pagpatuloy niya lang yung magandang ginagawa niya. Ano lang kay Lord, kapit lang, kayang-kaya yan ni Boss Toto.
Sa pagkakakilala ko sa daddy ko, siya yung tao na hindi alam salitang pahinga. Kasi lagi siyang nasa work, masipag, ganyan. Naniniwala siya sa lahat ng bagay na lahat may solusyon. Magaling siya sa pagkukumpuni ng ilaw, sa sakyan, sa lahat ng bagay din po. Halos alam niya, mga pari nga akala hindi siya tao. Mahal siya ng maraming tao, lalo ng mga kapatid niya. Kasi pag mahal siya, mapagbigay, susubo na lang niya, ibibigay pa niya sa iba. Kaya, yun. Yun, Di. Congratulations kasi narating mo na to, naka 10 years ka na. Alam mo naman, mahal ka namin at mga kapatid ko. And I love you, Daddy.
Actually, I have a lot of experiences in SSCR. Actually, a lot of first experiences. First love, first heartache, ever since when I was in college. First line of 7, care of Mamputi. Every working day, I considered it as a treasurable moment because every day, I have experienced a lot of things. I'm talking or dealing with other people. So every day is a very memorable and treasurable day for me. To be patient, to be kind, to always smile no matter what, and to do your best in everything. To the community of SSCR, to the religious administrators, I would like to thank everybody of you for giving me the chance to serve San Sebastian and to share what I have in for our school and for my friends in SSCR. Thank you for always being there for me.
So, good evening po sa lahat. So, yung next awardee na i-introduce namin, isa daw sa mga naging best friends ko. Or, hindi pala, best friend ko daw pala siya. Nagtataka naman ako kasi magkaiba naman kami ng channel. Di ba? Channel 2 daw siya sino ba yun, ma'am? Si Sian Lim? Di ba? Hindi ko alam kung paano namin siya paano kami nagkita. Pero yon, sa kabilang channel kasi ako Okay. So, i-introduce ko muna yung awardee natin. So, naging kaklase ko siya nung high school. So, actually, nung elementary, nakikita ko na siya. Pero hindi kami magkaklase. Then, nung high school, lumipat ako sa high school. So, naging kaklase ko siya ng 3rd year hanggang sa makagraduate kami and hanggang college. So, yung sa tabi ko ngayon, si Ma'am Nimpa, isa pa sa mga naging teachers namin yan. Okay, so nakita niya kung paano kami nag-grow sa Baste. Okay, so paano ko ba siya i-describe? So siguro si Sir Mai, isa sa mga masisipag na tao sa Baste. Very dedicated sa trabaho niya. Kahit na nagpupuyat siya, kahit wala siyang tulog, kahit nagkaklase, lumalabas yan para lang matapos yung trabaho. Or pag pinatawag siya ng boss niya, lagi siyang nandoon para tumulong.
Sir Mamay was my former student in BSCS degree program and my colleague also in the Computer Studies Department. I have known him as a person who is very transparent and expressive in his feelings towards others, whether negative or positive. He strongly believes in himself, his looks, character, talents, and skills. Feeling in showbiz yan si Sir Mamay. He claimed as the Sian Lim of our school. He really wanted to look good and feel good about himself. Very fit talaga siya bilang PR ng ating school. He is very good in graphic design and in photography. He is really very creative. He is interested in gaming from Ragnarok time pa up to Pokemon, taking care of his toy poodle and anything that is colored violet. He loves by many because of his sense of humor. he will make your conversation highly stimulating until it end up na binubuli ka na pala niya.
So Mai, ang wish ko lang sa'yo, syempre good health, di ba? Medyo, alam mo na, hindi na tayo bata, di ba? And of course, parang nabasa ko dun sa isa sa mga post mo nung Miss Earth, nakita mo na yung Miss Universe mo. So sana, syempre, siya na yung forever mo. Di ba? Ang tagal mo nang hinintay yan.
My wish to you, Mai, more years of success to San Sebastian.
Congratulations
to
Mr. Raymar Donesa.
Hi, Mamay! Congratulations on your award. I believe na you deserve this recognition because I know how hardworking you are. And I also like na you always stay positive despite of all the conflicts and problems that you encounter every day. I know na because you believe in God and you always believe in everything good na you will receive rewards and you will get back all good things na pwedeng mangyari in this lifetime. So again, congratulations and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye!
Na-assign ako sa iba't ibang department at finance, hindi lang sa accounting. Na-assign din ako at sa food store at sa kanyang account. Actually, it's ko sa kanyang co-worker sa amin sa office accounting. Para kami sa family. Yung masaya yung parang excited ka lagi sa values as a Christian, masasabi ko na nag-grow talaga ako as Christian and as a person. Message ko sa akin, nagpapasalamat ako dahil naging part ako ng Career ng Recoletos at hindi ako nangihinaya sa 15 years na nandito ako sa school. Na-feel ko yung pag-grow ko at saka I'm looking forward for another 15 years.
Si Daisy po, napaka-thoughtful po ng babaeng yan. Saka napakalambing. Saka po, hindi po siya madamot.
Pagdating naman sa pamilya, maalalahanin yan, maalaga. Saka mapagmahal, lagi niya nasa isip, pamilya muna unahin, kaysa sa sarili niya.
Kaya palagay ko din po si Day. Kaya po naniniwala po siya sa good and bad karma. Kaya hindi niyo po yan minsan, pagpapasensya na lang po talaga niya yung mga sitwasyon, hintay na lang po talaga niya yung magiging kapalaran ng kung sino man po yung involved. Diba, Ate Joy?
Oo. Saka lalo na kapag, nasa isip niya lagi, time is gold, lalo na kapag may lakad na hindi matutuloy tapos, o kaya may activity na hindi mag-start on time, talaga yan, inis na yan. Makikita mo, magbabago na yung mood niyan. Talagang, kasi sa kanya lagi, mahalaga yung bawat oras eh. Kaya dapat mag-start talaga kung anong oras ang start or umalis kung umalis talaga.
Alam mo, totoo po yun. Naalala ko yun, Ate Joy. Meron po kaming lakad ni Day. Na-delay po yung flight namin ng Cebu Pacific. Talaga po siya, naiinis na po talaga siya doon kung sino na po yung kinakausap niya. Kami naman po, relax lang. Yun, pati po sa amin, nainis po si Daisy.
Laging ganyan yan, basta hindi natuloy. Asahan mo na, umod na mag-iwa. At saka si Daisy, magaling ang pagdating sa pagluluto. Kasi kalamitan kapag may kainan sa office o kailangan magdala ng pagkain, si Daisy malimit nagluluto eh. Kasi siya yung mas maraming alam na luluto, tapos pagdating sa mga ingredients, sa kanya mo itatanong, malimit nga ako, tanong ko siya o itatext ko pa katulad ng bagong taon, tinext ko siya kung anong ingredients na ganito. Sasabihin niya kasi siya yung talagang mas eksperto pagdating sa pagluluto. Ganon siya kagaling.
Basta po may binigay kayo dyan project, o meron po siyang gagawin, hindi po yan papayag kung ano na po yung nagawa nung dati, kung paano po ginawa. Maghahanap po siya at maghahanap ng pinakamagandang paraan para po ma-accomplish niya po yung trabaho niya. Kaya po, we love you, Day, and you deserve this.
Who is Daisy? She is the person who is very thoughtful. She believes in God. She is very good at cooking. she is interested in food and diet. Lastly, she is loved by many because she is generous in the way that she gives everything that she has, especially to her family and close friends. She is also a loving mother to Mara and a very good friend to us. Congrats, Day! Sa basti ka natatanda, we love you.
Congratulations, Daisy. Sa sipag at tiyaga mo sa iyong trabaho, umabot ka ng 15 years. Kaya salamat na sa sipag at tiyaga mo sa iyong trabaho. Sa nakikita ko na yung mga time na hindi ka man lang sabihin na absent ka or tinatamad kang pumasok. Talagang andoon yung ang trabaho mo ay nasa puso mo talaga. At marami ding salamat sa pagtsatsaga mo sa amin na pamilya mo. Walang man lang kung maghihintay ka ng kapalit. Talagang nakikita ko sa iyo na naging ano ka namin, naging takbuhan at at yung imbes na ako ang responsibilidad ko kayo, ikaw yung umaako na talagang ikaw yung nalalapitan namin. Salamat na sa iyong trabaho, Day, na wala ka man lang naging kagalit sa iyong trabaho at sa marunong kang makisama sa mga ka-opisina mo. Congratulations ulit, Daisy. Patuloy mo na maging matyaga at masipag ka sa hanap buhay mo.
As a teaching is a humanistic profession, and as a teacher, it is not only about disseminating information. You have the responsibility to not only to inform, but also to reform and transform students in order to lead them to become a worthy citizen of the society. My most treasured moments, of course, as a teacher, if you have a very happy discussion and at the same time your students are very enthusiastic in listening to you, that would be somehow for me is an everyday treasured moments for a certain teacher. But there are moments, of course, na hindi sila nakikinig. I would say that yun ang parang downside. The courage and commitment of upholding our institution, Caritas et Scientia, di ba? To contribute to the social transformation of our society. Excellence, always in achieving in every endeavor without sacrificing Christian values. To the community, I just ardently pray that our Leto Sebastian community will constantly guided by the Lord in achieving the organization's mission and major breakthroughs ahead for our humble institution. Bravo, Baste.
M as in maarte? Pero sa totoo lang po, si Sir Ignaw po ay isang mapagmahal na tao at higit sa lahat siya po ay Makamaria.
E as in everlasting fan of Sharon. Talagang hindi mo makikita sa kanya yung hilig niya kay Sharon Cuneta. Talagang pag tinignan mo yung table niya, yung mga salamin niya, locker niya, lahat ng klaseng gamit niya, baka pati toothpick niya, may picture ni Sharon Cuneta. Alam mo, naalala ko nung first year high school ako, teacher ko si Sir Ignaw, talagang yung exam niya, talagang ang matching type kailangan ni Sharon. Yun ang makikita. So, mahal na mahal ka namin, Sir Alvin. Mamimiss kita. Ay, hindi pala. Congratulations! Congratulations, Sir Alvin.
Bin, for 20 years, no, nakasama kita. Letter G. Okay? Pero una lahat, syempre, congratulations on your 20th year. Pero importante, yung 75%, maibahagi mo sa amin sa Lunes. Ipapalit na yung cheque, tapos i-blow out mo kami. Pansit lang, okay na kami. Okay? G. G, Goddess. Sa Tagalog, Diyosa. Alam naman natin na pag merong mga special numbers, syempre, kailangan mag-isa ka lang. Diba? At ang audience, nakatutok sa'yo. At pag may humihiling sa'yo ng isa pa o dalawa pa, akala nila wala ka, pero yung pala handang-handa ka. Kaya hindi mo binibigo ang mga audience mo. Pero on a serious note, Bin, being with you for 20 years, talaga nakita ko talaga yung dedication mo, yung pagiging hard worker mo, at saka yung pagiging fanatic mo kay Sharon Cuneta. Ang lupet. At higit sa lahat, pinapakamusta ka yung mga lalaking nagdaan sa buhay mo. Si Ruel, si Jaime, lalo na, yun sila, parang si, parang si Romy Diaz at saka si Paquito Diaz. Siyempre, kami dalawa ni Ferdy, andito pa rin kami, kaya mahal na mahal ka pa rin namin. Again, congratulations.
A, artistic. Maarte. As in, panggupit Sebastino. Pero guhit Sebastino siya. Sa lahat ng mga design, siyang in charge. Tsaka maaasahan talaga siya.
We love you, Mega!
He is a person na laging nandyan para sa akin. Lagi siyang ready akong tulungan pag may problema ako, pag may kailangan ako. Tsaka lagi siya yung tao na sobrang kulit. Tapos laging perfect timing yung pangungulit niya. Pag down na down ako, lagi siyang nandyan. Tapos lagi siyang ready na i-comfort ako. Tsaka he believes in family is the most important thing in this world. Lagi niyan tinatatak sa utak ko na dapat family yung first priority mo beside kay God. Because he is very good at singing. Lagi siyang nakanta ng mga mega songs. Favorite niya yun si Mega. Kasi every time nakakanta siya, feeling ko artista siya. Ang sarap magpa-autograph. 100 ba na nga yung score niya pag sa video. He is interested in teaching active students. Tuwang-tuwa siya pag very good yung students niya. Lalo na pag nagawa yung instruction na write Mega if the statement is true. Yung mga ganong instruction niya sa exam. And he is loved by someone because kahit na stricto siya, kahit na suplado siya, kahit na masungit siya, lagi niya binibigay yung lahat para sa amin. Kahit na kami yung lagi niya nang inuuna, para kahit na hindi na yung sarili niya, basta kami lang muna. Congratulations na ang tagal mo na sa trabaho mo, galing-galing mo. I'm so proud of you.
I have lots of wonderful experiences for serving the school for 25 years. And the most treasured is yung during dental mission. When I'm serving the community, nakakapagod, nahirap kumuha ng sponsors. And yet, kapag natatapos na yung mission, andun yung fulfillment. Hindi ko malilimutan yun. Hindi ako magsasawang gawin. Service. Good service from the heart, not just from the mind, and not just for the certificates. Sana lahat ng magsaserve nasa puso. Yung ginagawa. Natutunan ko yun. To fellow Sebastinians, I've been serving the school for 25 years. I hope you will do more. First, love your work, service with humility and patience, and accept your co-workers as they are.
Dr. Maria Josefina Soledad C. Milanes, DDN. Pero mas kilala ko si Ate Jo sa tawag ng Ate Jo mula pa noon. Gusto kong i-describe si Ate Jo sa acronym na LOVE. Letter L, Ate Jo is a loving person. Letter O, an obedient daughter. Letter V, a valiant woman. And letter E, a very energetic servant of God. Ate Jo, Maraming salamat sa pagbahagi mo ng iyong pag-ibig sa aming lahat, ng iyong pagmamahal, ng iyong pagkatao. Congratulations.
25 years is not just a gift of time. It's a gift of love. I wish that all of us who has served this institution for 10 years now, and those below us, would have the kind of dedication that you have given this institution. I wish that those among us here who has served this institution for 10 years and below would have the same commitment as you have given the school. Doc, tagahanga mo ko sa maraming bagay. Pero higit sa lahat, tagahanga mo ko na hindi ka lang pangbaste, pang-national exposure ka pa. Kasi siguro hindi lahat nakakaalam dito na yung association mo outside of Baste on a national level ay napakalawak. And you're not just a member of it, you're even an officer for so many years already. Isa sa mga bagay na gustong-gusto ko sa kanya, Doc Jo, yung kanyang sense of professionalism. No? Yung sense of dedication niya sa trabaho. Pag sinabi mo ang oras, yun ang oras. Pag sinabi mong yun ang gagawin, yun ang gagawin. Pag sinabi mong yun ang dapat na objective at kailangan marating, yun ang dapat na objective at dapat marating. I admire you for that. I admire you for so many things. And I wish I could have one or two of your most outstanding traits. Doc Jo, we've been to so many things. I know your heart. I know at the back of a very strong woman is a very loving heart. We know how much Vanja and I just keep on loving Baste. At sa mga pinagdaanan natin, Doc Jo, isa lang masasabi ko. Ang bumangga, giba. Alam mo yan.
She is a person that can get along with anyone easily. She believes in God more than anything else. I always keep on remembering what she said before. When we are in trouble or in doubt or unable to create or make decisions or choose between things, just ask signs from God or guidance or whatnot. She is loved by many because she treats her friends as family rather than friends. And she cares for us. She cares for the family, for her friends, for her colleagues. And she has a strong sense of charity and always there for the family. So I just want to say thank you for always being there, for supporting me throughout my high school years up until my college years, and for always being there for me and my brother, and for believing in me on the things that at first I thought I couldn't do.
Well, for me, the experiences will be a combination of funny, sad, and happy experiences. Funny in the sense that during my first day in college as a teacher, the students laughed at me when I sat at the teacher's table because they were thinking I was a student. So that was one of the funniest experience I have ever had. For the sad experiences, there was a point in time when I decided to resign from teaching because of some issues, but later I came to realize I can never leave San Sebastian. And for the happy experiences, it's because of being with my students every day, learning with them, teaching them, and in dealing with my co-employees, my co-Sebastianian, because we have been through many activities that require our presence, and that made me very happy. I believe one of the most treasured moment I have is when I begin to receive the awards for 10 years, 25 years, 20 years, and now the 35th year. Along the way, as a Sebastianian, I have learned to be humble, to learn the value of excellence, because you have to be the best that you can be. And also, I began to have that Marian devotion that has improved my spiritual life. To my Sebastian family, I would like to thank you for journeying with me in the last 25 years. To be here in San Sebastian for 25 years is not an easy thing, but I made it through the days because of you. So thank you for making my stay memorable, and I hope to work with you harmoniously in the next coming few years.
Emma is a person that I truly cherish because she has been my friend for 25 years already. Emma treats me like her own, and I know that she's a very family-oriented person. Aside from that, she's close to her, not just to her late parents, but to her siblings. Very few people know that Emma is very good at making people laugh. Most people perceive her as a very serious professor. In our barkada, she normally listens, but when she utters her famous, witty, and funny one-liners, she brings the entire house down. We all end up laughing.
Emma is a true friend. She's someone who will stand by you and fight for you. You can entrust your secrets with her. Sa aming mga magbabarkada, ang tawag sa kanya ay Pirena. Bakit? At tulad sa Encantadia, isa siyang matapang at mabait na kaibigan na handa kang ipagtanggol kahit ano man ang mangyari. Hi, Ems. I'm sure nagulat ka. Congratulations on your 35th year.
Emma is my soul sister. We have been together for over 30 years. I am her and she is me. But not everybody knows who the real Miss Emma Chico is, or Dean Emma Chico. She is a person that loves eating and sleeping. After eating, she will take a seat in a relaxed mode, and within few minutes, she is already sleeping. She has also a friendly digestive system. She eats more than I do, but never increases her weight. She loves to crack jokes, especially when we are not expecting it. There was never a dull moment with her. She believes and fears God. She always says to people who offended her, her family, and her friends, bahala na si Lord sa kanila. She believes in karma, especially the good one. She is also loved by many because of her simplicity. She has simple needs and simple wants. She can easily be pleased by anything she received or just simply remembering her. She is also a very thoughtful person. She puts herself last when it comes to her family, when it comes to her friend, and simply love to be with the people who love her. Masyadong mababaw ang kaligayahan namin. So every time that we're together, we cannot avoid but to laugh, even to something that not all people will laugh at. To my ever dearest best friend, since then up to now, we know we have the plans to be together even though we get old, even here and in abroad. Mas madalas pa nga kitang makasama kaysa sa asawa ko. Congratulations to you, my friend, and of course, you will always count on me as your soul sister.
Congratulations, Emma! We love you, Chos!
What can I say about Ate Emma? She's an amazing person. She's trustworthy. She's a person that you can always count on whenever you need help. She's always there for you. And she believes that God has a plan for everyone. Everything happens for a reason. And she's very passionate about her job, like especially teaching. She's amazing at that. And she loves sharing her knowledge to everyone, sharing her gifts. And yeah, she's just amazing at everything she does. And she's very lovable and caring, trustworthy, like I said before. And yeah, she loves traveling and to explore the world if she has time, and especially hanging out with her nearest and dearest, like with her friends. And yeah, she's loved by many because she's just a lovable person, right? I know everybody knows that. So yeah, we love you very much, Ate Emma.